want to give a special thanks to DreamShyre for sending star babies to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today we are in our new miniature baby store that we made in this video. I just made a new printable with some baby food labels. I'm hoping that we can use them with pony beads to make miniature jars of baby food. So let's cut one of the labels out and wrap it around a pony bead. I think it's a little too large. Back to the computer. I made the labels a little smaller. Carefully paint the inside of the pony bead. While they're drying, cut out the labels. Use a hole punch on layers of paperboard or craft foam. I brush the edges with a little silver paint. Glue the circle label on top. I used a 1/4 inch hole punch and it seemed to match up pretty good. I glue the label around the pony bead. Since the bead is round, I push the label kind of to the bottom. Then I glue the craft foam on top to make a tiny jar of baby food. And here it is in a doll's hand for a size comparison. What if we go ahead and cut out the larger label and glue 2 beads together? Glue the label around the center, and I always start with the right hand side first, then add the top to make a taller jar of baby food where I had no problem keeping the label flat, giving our store more options. So I will add the larger label back to the printable as well. Our baby food is called Crafty Baby. We have blueberry, carrot, and peas. And of course, you can use pony beads that are already colored. I just like the clear ones because with a little paint, I can make whatever flavor I want. And to me, it kind of gives the illusion of glass. We've got mail. Oh my goodness, it's babies. From DreamShyre on Instagram and DreamShyre.com, here is a Star Babies mystery bag. It says DreamShyre Nursery at the top, Series 1, not a toy. Please note that this item is not intended to be used as a toy. Handle with care and follow safety guidelines. All safety guidelines. It's a mystery bag. It contains 1 handmade silicone doll inside squishy glow-in-the-dark star, baby blanket, mystery accessory, and birth certificate. On the back, there are instructions, and it says to be very careful while opening the squishy star. Silicone babies are delicate. Handle with the utmost care. Keep away from extreme temperatures, sharp objects, and this is a 100% handmade item, which may exhibit imperfections, which only add to the character and should not be considered defects. Make sure your hands are clean and have a clean space to open the Star Baby. Let's open it. Ooh, we can already see some stuff. There's the star. Okay, let's carefully remove it from the wrapper. Oh yeah! Inside, we also found a birth certificate that we can fill in, a little message from the artist, and a collector's guide showing us all the different babies we might find. The star comes wrapped in plastic. Oh, and it is squishy. Look at that. This is such a cool idea. Oh wait, am I squishing the baby? Handle with care, Toya. Now we have to just search around for the thin spot. Let's see. There we go. That looks pretty thin. And it says we can easily open it. Oh my goodness. There it is. Okay. This is kind of crazy. Is that the head? This is definitely an experience. There is the little silicone baby. The baby was born from a star. Like, really, we just watched it. Now let's remove it. Y'all said that we should use these paint cans for a gender reveal. Is it a girl or is it a boy? It's a boy. Congratulations. Let's just get the blanket, which has a little bottle inside. The blanket is fleece, And we can quickly wrap up our little baby, so it's nice and cozy. The little baby is pretty soft. It has painted details and sculpted hair. It's larger than most of my silicone babies, but next to our 1/6 scale dolls, it just looks like an older baby. I also got an outfit! It says handmade with love. The little extras are everything. We can get the baby dressed and add a hat so we can see more of the baby's shape compared to our dolls. I think the size could work. The baby's feet don't go all the way to the end of the little outfit here. They stop right about there. Here's the baby in a little woodsy diaper. It almost fits, but it is a tiny bit small. But now we can compare it in size to our other silicone babies. I got this baby on Etsy from Silicone Snuggle Baby. I think it was around $35 or $39. This one is considered a 2.5-inch baby. I got this one from Babies by Lori Etsy shop. This one was $150 and has rooted eyelashes. It's 2 3/4 inches. Here it is next to the star baby. I named this one Luna. I bought the same doll in blue because I wanted a little avatar baby. Then I found Nadia Guillory's Etsy shop. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but here it is. And that's where I got little baby Starla with rooted lashes and ears. I think this one had a regular price of $169 US. And I got her again as a little avatar baby. These are probably also around 2 3/4 inches. And here they are next to the star baby. And lately, I've been collecting a lot of the Zuru My Mini Baby babies. These are the smallest out of all of them. Not sure if it's actually silicone. This one does feel different, but it's still flexible, and I've seen them on Amazon for 2 for $15.99. I have 3 different skin tones. Here it is next to Luna, Avatar Starla, and Star Baby. So that's my silicone baby collection. Well, silicone baby-ish collection. We do have a few more My Mini Babies, but they don't all have diapers. The handmade babies are definitely bringing in some amazing details. Some of them you might want to save up for. The Zuru My Mini Babies are definitely easier on the budget. However, some of their accessories are a little underscale for my miniature world, and availability can be an issue. However, when it comes to an unboxing experience, to me, the DreamShyre Star Babies have been the most fun. On their website, it looks like they are regularly priced at $50, and sometimes you might catch a sale. And special releases, like Star Babies Little Sweeties Series 1, with a little heart theme. Let's open it up. Looks like we have a blanket, the birth certificate and collector's guide, and a squishy pink heart. It is so cool seeing what other creators are out there making. All right, we gotta find where we can open this. Probably right here, maybe? Yeah, that'll work. There it is! And it looks like this one has confetti, brown hair, and a different skin tone. There are little hearts. Is it a boy or is it a girl? It's a girl. Inside the blanket, we have a little pink hat, and the blanket has a heart pattern. Let's try on these baby clothes. There's a diaper with Velcro on one side and a dress with a small piece of Velcro in the back, and it seems like the edges have been sealed with glue, and there is a small headband. And here's the baby with a Ken doll. So if you are in the market for a squishy baby, there are a few options. In the comments, I saw a lot of requests for board books. So I did my best to try to create some. I used art from an earlier printable. These are from our doll art classroom from many years ago. I'm not sure if the measurements are right, so let's go ahead and test it out. There's a cover, pages, and a template. Cut everything out, take recycled paperboard, trace the template 4 times, and cut it out. Fold the pages in half, fold the cover at the spine, take the first page and glue the paperboard to the back of each side, making sure to avoid the fold so it can bend. Add the next page, so the second piece of paperboard is now covered on both sides. On the back of the page, add another piece of paperboard, then repeat with the last 2 pages, so there is paperboard on both ends, and all the pages are in the center. Take the cover and glue it to the outside to make a miniature board book that has a real tiny little story in it, giving us another mini book for the dollhouse. Our printables are available to download for free on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. And we're gonna need more shelves, but we'll save that for next time. Thank you for joining us while we checked out some miniature babies and did a little crafting. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. To all our fabsome besties who shop at MyFroggyStuff merch, thank you for supporting the show. And we will see you next time.